We are ready to tap into the mind of a trader. Joining us now is Tim Bigham of Delta Derivatives. And Tim, I have to start with Bitcoin. That was a big break below 30,000 this week. Where do you see the trade going in Bitcoin?
Yeah, it's something that really I've shied away from the beginning, Angie. It's something I really didn't understand. So I'm a believer if I don't understand it, I stay away. But certainly it's come down sharply here. I think companies that have invested, such as MicroStrategy and the like, have felt the wrath of that. So if you are looking to play for a pop in Bitcoin, maybe using those as a way to jump in, maybe a safer way to take a long position on some of these cryptos.
What do you think about the overall market action this week?
I think a mixed bag there. Certainly, we've seen the Russell and the S&P pop recently. I think we're still in the trading range here. I'm a little more defensive. I think the chip stocks, which were the only sector down yesterday, have finally found maybe a top here. So I'm a little bit bearish on those, especially NVIDIA. A lot of the money call spreads on that name, given the price action we saw in the beginning of the week.
What's your trade of the day, Tim? I know you're watching for some unusual options activity.
Yeah, we're seeing some big unusual activity in global maritime GLBS. Monday, we saw over 8,000 out of the money August calls trade again on Tuesday. More importantly, the stock is actually lower over those 2 days. These calls are up big in price in that same time frame. So I'm just jumping in, buying the stock, selling these very expensive calls, willing to be a seller of the fact that these guys are overpaying to get in, leaning bullishly in case they know something, and just positioning with a simple covered call trade on GLBS.
A covered call it is. Thanks, Tim.
You bet, anytime, Ange. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.